Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a video on a brand that I've been eyeing up for a while on Etsy, but I have only just got around to making a purchase from the brand. The brand is EXO UMBRA. Yeah, I came across this brand because I was like in search of alternative kind of plus size goth kind of clothes. And if you've ever tried shopping for that kind of thing, it is near impossible to find at a decent price. And if it is, like, you'll find something that it's like, it's just a black top, or it's, I don't know, it's just plain and boring, and like you see all of these other things, like for slimmer people who, you know, they get the really pretty kind of alternative looking things. So yeah, I was like in a rut and thinking I want something nice for people who are plus size, and then I came across EXO UMBRA and I finally made my first purchase, and oh my god, this is kind of a review slash public service announcement for anyone who is plus size and alternative slash goth slash whatever you want to call it. So yeah, basically everything that is in that store is like handmade to order, and it is beautiful, and oh my god, it is so affordable. By the way, this is not sponsored in any way at all. This is like, I purchased this with my own money and this is like my own thoughts. So yeah, I took the plunge and ordered one item to start off with. I already have 5 more items in my basket at the moment, which yeah. We'll see how that goes when payday comes around. We'll see how I get on if I spend a lot more money. But yeah, I'm going to show you the item that I got and I'm going to take you through it and everything. Yeah, so give me a second. Okay, so this is the item that I got. Everything is like black mainly. I think there's been like some special edition t-shirts and stuff that aren't black, but I think everything at the moment is black slash pop of colour kind of thing. So this is what I got. I can't remember what it's called. I'll put the link to the Etsy and stuff in the down bar. But yeah, this is a dress slash top. I'm not sure how you'd wear it. You can wear it as both, I suppose. So yeah, everything is t-shirt fabric, but it is like adapted to be like let out, flared, like asymmetric, that kind of stuff. Everything is so unique and beautiful. So this is what I got. As you can see, this is the neckline. This white stitching is like uniform throughout. Like it's on the sleeves as well. There is a hood, which I do love, and then as you can see, there is this cobweb print. I say print, it's hand painted. This shit is hand painted on here, so that is incredible. The hood is a mahoosive, which I think just adds to it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but yeah, it just adds something else to the layers of this top dress thing. Then you get down to about halfway down. As you can see, it kind of splits off, and then there is another bit of fabric added, and it's a longer bit of fabric, and it kind of gives it a real asymmetric design. Hello. And a real asymmetric design where it like goes down at the bottoms and it's like a waterfall kind of thing. It's beautiful. And then again, you've got the cobweb on here, which is gorgeous. At the back, oh yeah, a little bit further down, you've got another stitching line where some more fabric has been added. I really love the white stitching. Like it's cut off at the bottom, which means that it does curl, which I do really like. It adds to the kind of, I don't know, messiness of it. I just love this kind of unkept kind of, but kept kind of look, if I'm making any sense whatsoever. This is the back, and again you've got a panel towards the bottom, and then I don't know if you're going to be able to see the You're really not. This is, oh my goodness. Can you see the kind of ASM, oh, it's coming off the thing. Oh my goodness, I'm having a mare. I don't know if you'll be able to see the asymmetric kind of thing. It like floats down and is longer at the bottom. So that is that. It's beautiful. I will put it on for you in a second. I don't know how well that's going to show on the camera, but I'm going to give it a go. And yeah, this is just so nice. Literally have 5 more items in my basket, so we'll see how I get on with those. As for price, this was under £30, which I can't believe. Like, if you shop for plus size alternative clothing, you know that this shit is not cheap. It's expensive. And yeah, I wore this to work a couple of days ago, and I've never been so comfortable at work ever before. One thing I would say that I didn't really realise, the fact that the sleeves like are cut out and they're really baggy and wide, so I did have to wear like a top underneath it because I'm like, I don't know, super self-conscious about like it comes down to like here. So like I wore a top underneath it, but there was no problem. And yeah, I was literally the most comfortable I've ever been at work because it is so, I don't know, the added bits at the bottom just make it flow really nicely and hang really nicely. And yeah, I was just so comfortable. But yeah, this was like $29.99, free shipping in the UK. You cannot say fairer than that because, you know, this sort of shit, if it was made by, you know, like, I don't know, Restyle or Rogan Wolf and stuff like that, it would be a hell of a lot more expensive, and it probably wouldn't fit because they say, oh, this is 4XL, but it's actually like a size 20, which is like, that's not a 4XL, please. But this one fits beautiful. The sizing is bang on, and yeah, I'm definitely going to be buying more in the future. So let me get it tried on for you and hope that you can kind of see what it looks like. Okay, so I have it on with my top that I was wearing before. But yeah, as you can see, like the sides are quite low cutting. So this is where the thing is. It's quite a boxy kind of cut, as you can see. And you've got the hood if you want to use the hood. I love the hood. Yeah, it's spooky and beautiful, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and a comment if you find something on that website that you like too. And yeah, if you like more of these videos, please let me know, and I will make sure to do some more in the future when I inevitably buy more, because I'm weak when it comes to clothes I like. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Adios.